What's up guys, Razor Affiliate here and welcome to new video on my channel. Today I record in Keydrop. I got 1.1k on my balance. I will try to make profit on Keydrop today. So before I start, don't forget to follow me on my Twitter and don't forget to follow me on my Kick. Turn on notifications for daily giveaways, daily live streams and more. Also don't forget to like and share this video. Don't forget to use my promo code Razor Affiliate on Keydrop. You just need to connect your Steam account, click on add funds in top right corner, in a promo code box enter my promo code Razor Affiliate and just click apply. 10% bonus at every deposit and free 50 cents for new users. On left side you can find payment methods. You can pay by Visa card, MasterCard, you can pay by gift cards, you can pay by skins and more. If you're looking for free gold on Keydrop, you just need to click on free gold section, scroll down and you can find steps how to claim it. You can like Keydrop on Facebook and you can claim 8 golds. You can follow Keydrop on Twitter and you can claim 12 golds. Scroll and you can find every steps. Okay guys, today I will start with case battles. We got 1.1k on balance, so we need huge one win. Okay, I will create one knife case battle guys. So let's see, can we start with huge one win? Nobody joined, I will try with bot. Let's see now. Can we hit something good? We can't. Okay, so bad start guys, so bad start. Okay, I will create new one case battle. I'll try with royal cases, I'll try with 7 and I'll try with thunder cases 3. $130 this one case battle. And let's see, we need only one player to join. Okay, nobody joined again. I'll try with bot this one, bot Tom. And let's see guys, 10 cases, 7 royal cases. We need one good hit on royal cases. Please don't be toxic man. Just drop one good. Okay, this Glock is $3 only. I got 7.5. Okay, this one AK Redline is battles card, but it's $14. That's not bad. Just need more. Need one huge drop. 3 more cases royal left. Come on, one more good hit. Okay, last one royal case. Let's see this one M4, how much that? Only $4. Okay, 2 more thunder cases. Okay, this one M4. Okay, $17. And last one case. Can we hit knife? No, we can't. That's not profit. I lose $20 here. And I'll try with upgrades now. Okay, I'll try 2x. This one knife maybe, or let me see. This one looks good. 43% guys. Stop it man, stop it. Okay, I will create one huge guys, one huge. I need one huge. $310 this one for 2 knives, please man. We need one player to join. Okay, one player already joined. Please man, drop something huge. Okay, first one, so bad Shadow Daggers. Last one case, new knives case. And we can win this one. Holy shit. Okay, this one is $72. 3 black hat cases, 4 single cases. Let's see. Come on bro, only one good hit and you can't drop it. What's wrong with you? Please man. Okay, this one. Only $2 discotheque. Only $2. Okay, let's see single cases, 4 of them. Only voucher 17 cents. Man, please drop it. Now, Okay, $6 this one, but it's so... Okay, last one case. Unlucky. Let's see this one case battle, guys. I'll try with both 5 cases so only. Can we hit huge this one? Okay, first one, so bad first one. $1.5 voucher, that's so bad. And one more, man. No way. Drop huge one skin, man, please. $200 case battle, and we can't hit profit. No way, man, please. No way, only vouchers. Okay, last one case battle, guys. I'll try with 3 players and I'll try with bots. Wish me luck this one. Wish me luck, guys. 6 knives in game. Please, broski, only one good. Okay, first one, just keep, man. Drop same knives now. Okay, I win this one, I think. Yeah, I win. $625. Okay. That's huge one. I will try 2x now. And I got it. Okay, $418. Okay, I will try one more 2x. This one Huntsman case hardened. Okay, close. Looks close, but we can't hit. Okay, 1.5x. 60%, please. Okay, I got it. $312. Can we try one more 1.5x? One more we need. 60%, come on. Yeah, we can. Okay, we'll try upgrade bullshit skins with 5x, 17%, and I'll try circle mode. And we can't hit this one. Okay, I'll try open one case with golds, guys. I got 20k, so I can open emerald cut, best one. This one is 19k, please. Stop an AK, man. But this one is $15. Okay, I'll try 5x again. This one glows. Looks good. Keep, man, keep. Close this one, so close. Okay, I will try to open one Need for Skins case. I can try with Letty cases. How many? I can open 2. Let's see. Imagine knives, guys. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video. Don't forget to use my promo code Razor Affiliate. Ad found top right corner. In a promo code box, enter my promo code Razor Affiliate and just click apply. For free 50 cents and 10% bonus at every deposit. Follow me on my Twitter, follow me on my Kick channel. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye.